Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to practice SQL on the installed AdventureWorks database. Okay, for that, first I am going to Google Chrome, search with practice SQL queries on AdventureWorks. Search it. There is a website W3 resource. Open that website. Here you can see the queries and also the solution. So let's try to solve the problems in this page. So let's see the first question. From the following table, write a query in SQL to retrieve all rows and columns from the employee table in AdventureWorks database. Sort the results in ascending order on job title. Okay, so this is the table name. Let's query this table and see what is there. So click on AdventureWorks and click on new query. Now just write a select query, select star from, this is the table. So let's see what is there inside. There are 290 rows. Okay, so what is the problem? To retrieve all rows and columns from the employee table in the AdventureWorks database, sort the result set in ascending order on job title. Okay, so there is a column job title. This is the job title. So we have to retrieve all the rows and all the columns and sort the rows by job title. So select star from human resources dot employee. We just have to apply a filter order by. So order by job title. Execute it. So that's it. You can see job title is order by. So here sort the results set in ascending order. So I have used order by. I can write ascending here. Execute it. Okay. This ascending ASC is optional. You can also remove it. You will get the same results. So you can see it is sorted by job title. Okay. Now let's verify the results. Sample output. You can see. Okay. Job title accountant. So it is the same. Okay, let's see the second question. You can also see the solution. Click on this and it will show the solution. So you can see the query here. Select star from human resource employee order by job title. That's it. There is also explanation given. You can go through the explanation. So let's see the second question. From the following table, write a query in SQL to retrieve all rows and columns from employee table using table aliasing in the AdventureWorks database. Sort the output in ascending order on last name. Okay, all rows and columns. Okay, from person table and order by last name ascending. Okay, rows and columns from the employee table using table aliasing. Okay, sample output. Okay, it is ordered by last name. Okay, and we have to use table aliasing. Okay, now let's copy this table name person, go to SSMS. So all the rows and columns, that means select star from person as we have to give it some alias. So I'm giving p where not where, it's order by last name, last name, ascending order on last name. Okay, so just write it last name. Okay, I use table aliasing. This is a p, as p it's aliasing. Just execute this. You will get all the rows and columns and ordered by last name. You can see it is ordered by last name, a bus. So let's verify the solution. Click to see the solution. Okay, so as you can see here, we have written the same. Select e dot star from person dot person as e, ordered by last name. Okay, and you can verify the rows. They have taken e dot star and have taken only star because it's optional. Okay, let's close and go to the next query. From the following table, write a query in SQL to return all rows and a subset of the columns. First name, last name, business entity ID from the person table in the AdventureWorks database. Third column, heading is renamed to employee ID. Arrange the output in ascending order by last name. Okay, so all the rows and only these columns. Okay, and third column heading is renamed to employee ID. Okay, let's copy this query and just paste here. I'm making it as a comment. Okay, so just aligning it, complete the comment. Okay, so now you can see from the following table IT query to return what is the name of the table. It is person dot person. Okay, so select first name. Let me first write select star from person dot person. Now we can only take first name, last name, business entity ID. Third column heading is renamed to employee ID. So just copy this and you can write as, so it will be renamed to employee ID. Arrange the output in ascending order by last name. Now we have to apply order by last name. Okay, so that's it. Now let's select it and execute. So this is the output, order by last name, and third column business entity ID is renamed to employee ID. Okay, so let's verify our solution. Sample output. So click me to see the solution. Here you can see select first name last name as employee ID from person dot person e, order by last name. So our solution is correct. You can verify last name, first name last name and employee ID. Okay, first name last name and employee ID. Okay, that's correct. Next, move on to next question. Okay, from the following table. Okay, now let's look at the fourth question. From the following table, write a query in SQL to return only the rows for product that have a cell start date that is not null and a product line of T. Return product ID, product number, and name. Arrange the output in ascending order on name. Okay, so let me first copy this into SSMS and arrange it. Okay, so let me comment from the following table. So what is the table name? Table name is sample table production dot product. Okay, production dot product. Only the rows for product that have a seller date. Okay, let me first see what is there in this table. Select star from. Okay, select star from production dot product. Okay, so product ID, name, product number, finished goods, list price, weight. Okay, product line. Okay, so seller date. We have a seller date. Seller start date. Okay, is the seller start date. Okay, sell start date. This one, that is not null. And the product line. Where is the product line? Product line. Okay, product line. This is the product line. So, okay, there are some characters. Product line of T. Return product ID, product number, and name. So, what we need? Uh, oops. What we need? Product ID, product ID, product number, and name. Okay, so name. Okay, so let me write it as name from production dot product. We have to apply some filters here. Sell start date. Okay, so let me write where sell start sell start date is not null, and I write here and product line equals T. Okay, so this is the query. Let me execute it. So this is our output: product ID, product number, and name. Okay, let's verify the solution. Click me to see the solution. So sample solution. Okay, so product ID, product number, name as product name from production dot product, where sell start it is not null, and production dot product line. Okay, product and line equals T. Product line equals T. Okay, so order by name. Okay, so I missed it. Arrange the output in ascending order by name. Okay, so just apply one order by name. Okay, that's it. Now this is our query. You can see it's ordered by name. Okay, so our query is correct. Here they have written fully qualified name, but it's not required actually. Okay, you can go through the explanation.